Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for May the 2nd, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Merck Co's first quarter sales rose 1% to $9.4 billion, with revenue from prescription drugs increasing by the same percentage to $8.2 billion. CEO Kenneth Frazier said the continued momentum of Keytruda in oncology, along with the strength of the vaccine and other franchises, helped to drive revenue growth. Also in the news, Pfizer's first quarter sales declined 2% to $12.8 billion, missing analyst estimates of $13.1 billion. Sales in the Innovative Health Unit climbed 5% to $7.4 billion, due to growth from key brands including Ibrance and Eliquis. In other news, shares in Abivax more than doubled after mid-stage study results showed that the experimental drug Abivax 464 reduced HIV reservoirs in chronically infected HIV patients. Chief Medical Officer Jean-Marc Steens remarked, "These results are a first and very important step in supporting the hypothesis that Abivax 464 could impact the HIV reservoir." In addition, Shire's first quarter revenue jumped 109% to $3.6 billion, boosted by last year's purchase of Baxalta. CEO Flemming Ornskov noted that growth came from across our broad portfolio, with genetic diseases growing 14% and the Baxalta business growing at 8%. And finally, Valeant Pharmaceuticals is considering a name change to distance itself from criticism of its business practices that has cut 95% of its value over 2 years. CEO Joe Papa said, "We have thought about our name," adding, "We are looking at the alternatives." To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.